Head high, chest up, and catch that brain, cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So today I am bringing you guys a quick hair tutorial on this Ali Julia hair. It is in their natural wave texture, and I have a 20-inch frontal and two 22-inch bundles. I have like 4 fingers up. 2 22-inch bundles. And the wave pattern, as you can see, is really pretty. It's naturally beautiful. And I almost don't want to disturb it, but I kind of want to see what the hair would look like as a braid out, just because it's so thick and full, and I think it would turn out really cute. So, show you guys the texture without it being touched, altered, or anything like that. But yeah, I'm interested to see how it would turn out if I did it in a braid out style. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, if any of you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and join Beauty Gang. I will be sure to leave the links to the hair and their website in the description box below. Alright, let's get to it.
Taking my versatile foam styling lotion from Motions, and I'm going to use that to help mold the braid out. Smells good.
Alright y'all, so I really love how this hair came out. I think it came out exactly how I was wanting. At first I was thinking, dang, should I add some Eco Styler gel or whatever to really make sure the hair is defined? But me just using that foam lotion, I think helped define the curls but didn't make it hard. Like the hair is still extremely soft. So I would suggest only using a foam of some sort to apply to the hair if you're thinking about doing a braid out or something on it. Because the gel would just have made it hard and I would have had to wash it earlier and all that stuff. So yeah, still has a lot of life and body even with the styling lotion on the hair. I think the only thing though that I will say about this hair is that it does have a very healthy amount of shedding when I brush it and stuff like that. A decent amount more than my other hairs that I've brushed before. I don't know if it's because the hair has a wave to it or whatever, but the waves didn't seem that harsh for that much shedding to be an issue. So yeah, that's just something about the hair. But overall, it's a very beautiful texture. It's a very beautiful grade of hair. And obviously it can hold like a pattern that you put in it. But yeah, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. The link to the hair and their website is in the description box below, as well as the foam that I use too. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new. Join Beauty Gang. And until next time guys, bye.